Alright, your American Public Transportation Association standard cab Borne cab signal control system periodic inspection and maintenance. Introduction, frequency, conduct requirements, specific task, materials, device, tools, safety, protective equipment, training requirements, inspection, maintenance, correction, deficiency, document, maintenance, log reports. And that was chapter 3. Participants. Alright, cab Borne cab signal control system periodic inspection maintenance. The periodic frequency of the conduction periodic inspection maintenance of the cab Borne signal control system shall be performed with a regular schedule. The system of the rail transit the frequency of the name of the task contained with the periodic inspection maintenance should comply with the applicable federal, state, and local regulation. Further, in the context of the rail transit system periodic inspection maintenance program, the frequency of the individual task should be established based on the number of additional factors, but not limited to original equipment manufacturers, recommended intervals, industrial experience, operating environmental conditions, historical data, performance requirements, failure analysis, railway testing, railway transit system testing and experience, reliability center maintenance requirements, specifically tasks, the inspection maintenance procedure for the section should be carried out with the working under and around the vehicle is under inspection warning. The proper lockout and tags procedure required with the railway transit system. Ensure that the vehicle properly secured with the uncontrolled movement of the railway transit system before conducting inspection of the maintenance procedure. Warning: remove power from the vehicle car Borne control equipment from the attempting of the repairs of the equipment, follow the original equipment, manufacturer, recommend railway transit system standard electrical safety precautions when conducting preventive maintenance to reduce the possibility of electric shock and arc flash. Warning: semiconductor components with the suspected of electric discharge damage. Follow the regular equipment manufacturing recommendations handling printed circuit boards and components. Warning: use only cleaning product with lubricant proven and safe the authorized for the railway transit system. Consult with the original equipment, the manufacturer material safety data sheet reference suitability for each of the application prevent personnel injury damage to the equipment. Materials: the following materials are normally required with the cab signal inspection made with the original equipment manufacturer railway transit system recommended lubricants. The original equipment manufacturer railway transit system recommended cleaning supplies refer to the original equipment manufacturer maintenance manual with additional materials. 2.2 devices. These following devices are normally required with the cab. The signal system inspection maintenance standard tools carried with the maintenance personnel with specialized tools recommended with the original equipment the manufacturer railway transit system test fixture specified with the original equipment the manufacturer equipment, and that may include the receiving the transmission loop, antennas, functioning generator, oscillate frequency counter, digital voltage, fixed test, printed circuit board calibration. Note: the device tools marked with the asterisk periodic calibration specified with the railway transit system. 2.3 safety personnel protective equipment appropriate with the personal protective equipment meet with the American National Standard Institute as required with the railway transit system shall be worn at all times. The performance of these inspection maintenance tasks. The railway transit system establish safety practice, the rules and procedure of the valve at all times with the performance of these inspection maintenance. 2.4 with the training requirement of the railway transit system made with the contractor shall develop the execute with the training program provide with the employee with the knowledge and skill necessary safely effectively performing the task outlined in the standard. Inspection maintenance and the following procedure for the original equipment maintenance manual should be referred to such equipment. The torque value, voltage setting of the past criteria for the condemning limit, the clearing measurement, the procedure methodology. Device must be clean, proper to inspect the procedure, cover the visible inspection, adjusting functional test for the car Borne control equipment, the methodology for the resolution deficiency, the note of the performing the procedure for the must be tied with the individual property, in conjunction with the original equipment manufacturer recommendation, documentation, inspection. Maintenance process for the interval of deficiency resolution. The deficiency found should be done with a comprehensive manner of the great useful database which will enhance the reliability and accountability of the process. 2.5.1 inspection performed during the periodic maintenance. Visually inspect if the equipment the antenna of the receiver, the coil, laminated bars, inductive loop of the pickup, the coil for the damage, corrosion, erosion, build up, clean, repair, calibrate, adjust, and replace as required. B. Check for the operation all switches and push button. Check for the repair and replace as required. C. Check the tachometer speed sensor for wearing, loosening, dirt, build up with the frayed wire, cleaning, repair, and the replace as required. D. Visually inspect the components, loosening, missing hardware and connection, clean and repair, replace as required. Visually inspect the wiring cable of the broken, brittle, cracked, and insulation, repair and replace as required. Visually inspect the relay contacts of the burns, pitting, and the other deformities, clean, repair, and replace as required. Note: vital repair relays for the required periodic testing calibrated with the railway transit system procedures or original equipment recommendation, manufacturer recommendations, techniques to perform calibration repair, vital relays specified with the training, specialized training. Our check power supply with an voltage test the coil voltage while wheel size setting the door of the power breaker with the door step by bypass the interlock, make adjustments to the original equipment, the recommendation, review onboard recording equipment with recorded faults, check for the pickup of the current frequency, each for the code rate, check for the printed circuit board with the calibration of the per rail system, proceed with the original equipment, the manufacturer recommendations, note refer to the rail transit system procedures for the original equipment, the manufacturer recommendation for the printed circuit board with the sort life of the exchange criteria. Original equipment, the manufacturer may require the rail transit system to develop the system of the tracking of the accumulated storage time of the tested functional printed circuit board with the form functional safe check of each of the cab signal, check of the cab signal system with the release of the vehicle from any of the maintenance activity that could affect the operation of the cab signal system. With new rolling stock self-test for the superseding of the most above the items. 252 functional safety test the cab signal system shoved to form before releasing the vehicle in the maintenance activity that could affect operation. Alright, 2.6, correction of deficiency. The deficiency uncovered during the inspection required in 2.5 should be corrected and documented in accordance with the railway transit system or original according with the manufacturer recommendations. 3. Documentation maintenance log. Reports of maintenance performed on rail transit within Borne system should be documented and retained in accordance with the railway transit system. Procedure for the document should be done with the unified type of the form developed with the railway transit system maintenance management information system provided with the following information maintenance complete. Accountability should include car number, the date of the maintenance performed, complete the description of the problem car, active action, original operational test and inspection, mileage, dated last maintenance activity, serial number of the install, the remove that applicable, signature identification number of the technician, prior form of the maintenance activity, date of the work completed. Note the computerized maintenance management information system accommodated technician signature, absence of the signature line, responsibility of the railway transit system to ensure the inspection reports can be traced for the individual performing the inspection, accountability, references, definitions, abbreviations, acronyms, summary document change, and document history. And that was your Borne cab signal control and periodic inspection maintenance.